For this question, we need to find the number of ways to go from point A to point B, but only using these two movements, which is moving upwards or to the right. So let's look at one of the examples to understand this process, right? So let's say we are in point A, and then let's go up first, alright? So we go 3 units upwards. Then from here, I want to go to point B, so I go to the right by 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another scenario would be the arrows in green. Okay, so let's say I go up to the right, 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 up, right, up, right. And another scenario which is in orange. So all these scenarios all reach point B. But the question is, how do we find the total number of ways to go from A to B? Okay, there's a clue, which is looking at these 3 scenarios, right? What is fixed? Okay, I'll let you all to have 5 seconds to think about this. So what is fixed is actually the number of times we use for each movement. Okay, example, let's say you go to the black scenario, you can see that when I go up by 3 times only, which is similar to the green and the orange scenario. If you realize, we only go up by 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Same goes to we are going to the right. For the black scenario, we go to right by 5 times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Green scenario as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And orange scenario. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number of times we use for each movement is fixed. So to find the number of ways, we need to arrange the 3 movements which are going upwards, and the 5 movements which are going to the right into these 8 blank spaces. And to find the total number of ways, we need to arrange all of these movements to these 8 blank spaces, so 8 factorial. However, here we have movements which are identical. For example, these 3 movements are going up. So for each type of movement, we need to divide a factorial. Right, so the first factorial is here we have 3 movements going upwards, so we do divide by 3 factorial. Here we have 5 movements going to the right, so we do divide 5 factorial. So you put this into the calculator, you get your answer, which is 56.